In the bustling world of 2024, the field of e-commerce was a beacon of inspiration, driving countless dreamers to turn their visions into reality. Among these aspiring entrepreneurs was a determined individual named Alex Harper. Alex had always been passionate about leveraging technology to make a positive impact. With a clear vision and an unyielding spirit, Alex embarked on a journey to create an e-commerce platform that not only offered products, but also fostered a sense of community and empowerment. The result of this vision was EmpowerMart. EmpowerMart was not just another online store. It was a platform designed to uplift and inspire. Alex believed that e-commerce could be a force for good, creating opportunities for small businesses and connecting consumers with products that aligned with their values. The guiding principle was empowerment, empowering sellers, empowering buyers, and empowering the community. To differentiate EmpowerMart, Alex implemented a unique model that spotlighted businesses committed to social responsibility and ethical practices. The platform showcased products from local artisans, eco-friendly brands, and companies dedicated to making a positive impact on society. Each product came with a story, connecting buyers with the people and values behind the items they purchased. One of EmpowerMart's standout features was its support for aspiring entrepreneurs. The platform provided a launchpad for small businesses, offering resources, mentorship programs, and a supportive community. Alex firmly believed that by nurturing these budding ventures, EmpowerMart could contribute to economic growth and foster a culture of innovation. Facing challenges and skepticism, Alex remained steadfast, building alliances with socially conscious investors and collaborating with like-minded organizations. EmpowerMart gained momentum. The platform's commitment to transparency, fair trade, and sustainable practices resonated with the growing community of conscious consumers, propelling EmpowerMart to success. As EmpowerMart flourished, it became more than just a marketplace. It became a movement. Entrepreneurs inspired by Alex's journey joined the platform, contributing to a diverse and vibrant ecosystem. Social impact became a currency, and EmpowerMart became a symbol of positive change in the e-commerce landscape. Alex's story served as motivation for countless others who aspired to make a difference through e-commerce. The narrative of EmpowerMart highlighted the transformative power of combining commerce with a social conscience. In 2024, the e-commerce field wasn't just about transactions. It was a catalyst for empowerment, a force for positive change, and a testament to the belief that commerce, when driven by purpose, has the potential to transform lives and communities for the better.